And here Robert has found the best friend he's ever had. A bird brain. Oh, or bird butt. Yeah, there's the brain part. Anyways, so yeah, he's having fun with his newfound soulmate. And yeah, we discovered that Sammy's afraid of the puppet. Sammy, puppet. Poor Sammy. Being attacked.
He attacked
You hurt him!
He attacked me!
Oh, Sammy.
He attacked
His
me!
butt stuck on the door. Oh, Sammy.
He attacked me!
Sammy.
He attacked me.
Oh, Sammy.
I don't know why she's not scared.
Oh, Sammy.
Attack the bird! Hey,
It's okay. Well, I didn't tell you to put it in all the way.
I didn't. I put it in and you jumped at it.
No. I didn't know he'd attack it. Here you go, Sammy. Oh, he's panting. Poor little thing.
Yeah, so like that's enough.
Yeah.
I hit the bird, so she told me to.
Did not. Pull my hair. Pull your hair.